Oh, Merry Christmas! That's our present!
Thanks,
You
God.
like it?
I'll get you an air purifier.
Oh no! Let's see. Meron sa loob. Para. Ten, ten, ten. Woo! Bingo! Oh, wow! Look at this. Wow. Kuti-kuti-da. Mga bakulaw! So today is a Christmas Day, Boxing Day, at birthday ni Papa Jesus. Happy birthday, Papa Jesus! So let's opening the Christmas present! Let's go! Ayan na. Let's open it na. Oh. Wow! That shoes. Go guys! Let's open in the gift. Yeah. Okay, what else? What else, Zoe? What do you have there? Let's open it. Open it na. Open it na. Ano ba yan, Zoe? So, ano ba yan? How is it, Zoe? Zoe, you like it? Zoe!
Oh, yeah.
Wow! Check it, Zoe. Wow!
Little porcupine.
Wow! What is that? No, that's not yours. That is Sisi. That's for C. C, open it. This is for you. Open it, Kuya. Open it, Kuya.
Later.
Ayan sa'yo, si Zoe. Ayan na, opening present na. Makukulit na. Ito na sa mundong ibabaw. Sige, boys and girl. Open your present. Asa na yung ating mga, nag-o-open ng present. Ayan. Zoe, how is it? You like it? Go, guys. Open your present. Yay! Ayan, wow. Wow ka pa. Yay! Open it, open, Kuya, open. Open! Yay! Open it. See? You have it. That's yours. Come on, my love, open it. Yeah! What is that? What is that? Wow! Oh my God, who is this? Open it, so open it. Open, guys. Oh my God, look at that. Open it. Ayan, tuwan-tuwa ang mga batuta. Yay! It's nice, you like it? Zoe, you like it? Wow, look at this. Ayan, disaster ng ating bahay. Dahil si Sak doon. Hindi nag-o-open ang kanyang gifts. Yay! Pagbubuksan na natin yan. Baka pagbubuksan pa ng iba. Dahil si Sak. Yay! Yay! Ayan. Wow! Ang daming gifts. Madami pasaw. So, ayan. Go, mag-open pasaw. Hanapin natin yun kay Zoe. Zoe, look at this. It's yours. Zoe! Yay! Oh, wow! It's nice. See? Let's open. Zoe, look at this. So, ako na mag-open. Look at, oh, wow! Look, so, wow! Shoes by Zoe Alice. Ayan, oh. Yay! Ayan, ako na nag-open. Yay! Ayan na, oh. Si Sak. Sak, lalaroan pa natin yan, bunso. Ayan si Sak, oh. Lalaroan pa natin yan. Ayan ang mga bata. Tuwan-tuwa sa kanilang present. Yay! Yeah. You like it, see? Zoe, you have a lovely present. Look at that. Wow, look at this. You like it, so? Do you like it? Yay! Ano, may malaki nga si Zoe present. Ayan yung malaking present ni Zoe! Yay! Zoe, open it! Open! Oh. Go, Zoe! Birthday na ni Zoe! Birthday ni Zoe! Alice! Get out!
Ginagawa mo.
That's kitchen. You like it? Zoe, good look! Isa! What is that? See? Open it. Open, kuya. Wow! You like it? That's our sak-sak. Sak, you like it? Yay! Yeah, that's nice. Open mo na, girl. That's my sister.
Thank you. And I got
You have love letter, of course. Yeah. Let's open it. It's daddy time. Open na. Kuya Andrew.
Skechers. Oh, Skechers recently.
Yeah.
On
Wow.
the right side.
Yeah, let's see.
I think the right side.
Let's see. So, hopefully it's fit to you.
It's not Skechers.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Pictures. Oh, wow.
You're gonna open it for Daddy.
That's Daddy.
You're gonna open it for Daddy? Go on then, you open it.
Help Daddy.
No, let Daddy hold it.
Wow. What is that, Zoe? What is that, Zoe?
What is it, Zoe?
Zoe, look! Wow! Happy New Year, baby! Oh, Merry Christmas! That's our present! Hope
Thanks,
you
God.
like it. Fun?
You got me too.
Yeah. Merry Christmas!
thank you so much.
Let's open it.
It's not ticking, mate. Don't tick.
It's not football, is it?
Well, it could be. Blow it up.
Ah, lovely. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you very, very much.
Welcome, you're most welcome.
Filipino culture, aftershave's important.
From husbanding. Oh my God! Ano to? Yung pakita mo, purify oh.
I thought, since you're always in the kitchen, I'd get you an air purifier.
Oh no! Let's see. Meron sa loob. Meron sa loob. Ano to? Tingnan natin. Ano ba to? Ah, meron. Meron oh.
Great minds think alike.
Okay, let's open it. Ten. What is this? Oh gosh.
And it says, you know it's Christmas because it says Merry Christmas.
Look at that. Cara. Ten. Woo! Bingo. Ano to? Engagement ring again?
I thought, why not?
Ten. Oh, wow.
There's something in there, honestly.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. Kumukuti na. Girl. Diamond digger girl. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Wow. It's lovely. Oh, yeah, you got two. Because I love you too. Agad. Ano na? Can't open it. Ten. Ayan, because you don't have short.
I don't Thank you.
Ayun.
Is this a top?
No. Check it.
You find out. So it's like,
Yeah. Open it, please. Oh, no.
I know I like this already. You know.
I don't wanna love for Christmas. Diba? Sino kayo dyan?
That's for the winter.
Yeah, because malamig na dito. Hey, another one. Oh, wow.
I've got the right size.
Yay! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Ito yung present sa akin ng aking mga sister. Thank you. So, dalawa yung nakakabatang kapatid ko dito sa UAE, Dubai. So, ito yung present nila. Let's open it. I don't wanna love for Christmas. Oh, perfume. Ayan, perfume. Thank you. Kasi mas gusto ko talaga ang perfume. Love na love ko ang perfume. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Yin. May bago na naman tayong collection lang, mga bakulaw. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And advance Happy New Year. So, hope you have a lovely Christmas.
There's a new year coming.
Yeah, so there you go, mga bakulaw. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and
Subscribe
to our YouTube channel. So, yun lang, mga bakulaw. Bye!
Bye! Merry Christmas! Maligayang Pasko!